So next class, preparation of phenols. So previously, before this class, we discussed about preparation of alcohols from lignal reagent. So that is the alcohols only. Okay, that is aliphatic. So now preparation of phenols, aromatic alcohols. That means benzene and containing OH group. Phenols. See, phenol also known as phenol also known as carbolic acid. Phenol also known as what? Carbolic acid. Earlier it was prepared by coal tar. So earlier it was prepared by coal tar. So nowadays it is prepared by commercially and commercial. Nowadays prepared by commercial or synthetical. Okay. So phenol also known as carbolic acid. Phenol also known as what? Carbolic acid. So phenol. This is also known as carbolic acid. Phenol also known as carbolic acid. So earlier it was prepared by coal tar, and nowadays it is prepared by commercial. Okay. So some synthetical preparation of in laboratory preparation methods is there. Synthetically laboratory preparation is there. So nowadays it is synthetically laboratory preparations is there. So that is one by one we'll discuss. Okay. Phenol also known as what? Carbolic acid. So earlier it was prepared by coal tar, and nowadays it is prepared by commercial. Okay. So laboratory preparation method we have to discuss now. Labs. So commercially in laboratory we have to prepare. So commercially in laboratory we have to prepare 4 methods is there. Okay. See, that is one by one we discuss. From haloarins. First one is what? From haloarins. First one from haloarins. So from haloarins we have to prepare the preparation method. From haloarins we have to prepare phenols. So haloarins means what? Chlorobenzene, bromazine. So already you know this. So chlorobenzene fused with NaOH. Benzene fused with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmosphere pressure. Chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH at 600 to gives sodium phenoxide. Already you know this one. Preparation of benzene. So chlorobenzene fused with NaOH. So chemical reaction of benzene only this is. So chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmosphere pressure to give sodium phenoxide. So sodium phenoxide is acidification. Acidification of sodium phenoxide gives phenol. So acidification of sodium. Acidification of sodium phenoxide. To gives phenol. Acidification means what? What is the meaning of acidification? So acidification means what? See, acidification. What is acidification? Acidification means the presence of acidic medium. See, chlorobenzene fused with NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmosphere pressure to give sodium phenoxide. So acidification of sodium phenoxide to give what? Phenols. So first Fourth preparation method is the preparation of phenols, very important, that is also already known, already this is known on chemical reactions. So chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmosphere pressure to give sodium phenols. So acidification of sodium phenoxide to gives what? Phenols. So let us see the equation. Chlorobenzene, I will write like this R, you can, according to chlorobenzene fused with NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmosphere pressure gives sodium phenoxide. By acidification means acidic medium, you can take here HCl. This is phenol. Sodium phenoxide. This is sodium phenoxide. This is sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. Chlorobenzene. See, chemical equations is very important in examination point of view. Whatever PU, so you should write you must write only chemical equation. Theory, first you write this. See, from theory also, chlorobenzene react with or fused with NaOH at 623 Kelvin and 300 atmosphere pressure to give sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide acidification of sodium phenoxide to gives phenol. This point. Okay. This laboratory preparation methods only. See, chlorobenzene, once again see, chlorobenzene fused with NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmosphere pressure to give sodium phenoxide. So acidification of sodium phenoxide to give phenols. So chlorobenzene react with NaOH. Okay. So at 623 Kelvin, 300 atmosphere pressure gives sodium phenoxide and HCl and phenol. So this is the first preparation method. Is it clear? And second preparation method, benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. This is the first preparation method. Second preparation method, from benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene second one, from benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene is sulfonated. From benzene sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonated with oleum molecular formula H2S2O7. So that is concentrated sulfuric acid and SO3. Mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid SO3 is called oleum. So benzene sulfonated with oleum to gives benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. And it is converted to sodium phenoxide by treating with sodium hydroxide. See, benzene is sulfonated with oleum. Oleum means what? Concentration of sulfuric acid and SO3, sulfur trioxide, mixture of concentration sulfuric acid and SO3. Benzene sulfonate. Sulfonated means what? Sulfur oleum. Simply, benzene react with oleum to give benzene sulfonic acid, and it is converted to sodium phenoxide by treating with a sodium hydroxide solution. Okay. See, so treating with sodium hydroxide means it is produce sodium phenoxide. So by acidification of sodium phenoxide to gives phenol. Is it clear what I am saying? Simply, benzene is sulfonated with oleum. Oleum formula H2S2O7. See, concentrated sulfuric acid plus sulfur trioxide, mixture of concentrated of sulfuric acid and SO3 is called oleum. So that means benzene is treated with heated sulfonated with oleum to give benzene sulfonic acid, and it is converted to sodium phenoxide by treating with sodium hydroxide. By acidification of sodium phenoxide to give phenol. By acidification of sodium phenoxide to give phenol. See, let us see this equation. Benzene, oleum, treated with oleum. So that is H2, oleum gives benzene sulfonic acid. So it is treated with the direct one step only I will write. First one, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide gives sodium phenoxide by acidification. Acidification means acidic medium. Use the direct step. This is phenol. Is it clear? Okay. So benzene is treated with oleum, gives benzene sulfonic acid. So this is react with benzene sulfonic acid is converted to sodium phenoxide by treating with sodium hydroxide. Benzene sulfonic acid treating with sodium hydroxide, sodium phenoxide is produced. Direct step only this is. After that, after formation of sodium phenoxide, so acidification to give the phenols. Is it clear? So from benzene sulfonic acid, so benzene is sulfonated with oleum to give benzene sulfonic acid, and it is converted to sodium phenoxide by treating with sodium hydroxide. By acidification of sodium phenoxide to give phenol. Direct step only here. Here 1, 2 means whenever benzene sulfonic acid react with sodium hydroxide, sodium phenoxide. Then after that acidic medium gives the phenols. Is it clear? Okay. And next one is from diazonium salt. From next preparation method is from diazonium salts. Third one is from diazonium salts. So aromatic primary amines like aniline. Aromatic primary amines react with sodium nitrate plus HCl. That means so react with nitrous acid. That means sodium nitrate plus HCl. Mixture of this one will produce a nitrous acid. Okay. So sodium nitrate plus HCl, nitrous acid. So at 273 to 278 Kelvin, at 278 Kelvin temperature, 2 gives benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium chloride salt. See, aromatic primary amines react with nitrous acid at NaNO2 plus HCl. That is produces sodium nitrous acid. Okay. So nitrous acid is HNO2 is produced. HNO2 is called nitrous acid. What is the nitrous acid formula? HNO2. Okay, nitrous acid HNO2. So at 273 278 Kelvin temperature, to gives benzene diazonium chloride salt. So this benzene diazonium chloride salt is so converted to phenol by treating with warm water or dilute acid. Diazonium chloride salt, diazonium salt. Simply you can write like this also, sir. Diazonium chloride salt or benzene diazonium chloride salt converted to phenol by treating with warm water or dilute acids. So benzene diazonium chloride. So here you see. So aromatic primary amines. Example is what? Aromatic primary amines means aniline. So aniline react with nitrous acid at 273-278 Kelvin temperature to give benzene diazonium chloride salt. See, diazonium chloride salt is converted to phenol. Diazonium chloride salt is converted to phenol by treating with warm water and or dilute acids. So this is the from diazonium salts. See, we are very important. Diazonium, primary aromatic amines. See, aniline. So aniline. So aniline treated with what? Sodium nitrate plus HCl. It is gives what? Nitrous acid. That is HNO2 is nitrous acid. To produce what? Benzene diazonium chloride salt. N2 plus Cl mass. Benzene diazonium chloride N2. So it is by warm water or dilute acids any dilute acids to produce what? Phenol. So benzene diazonium chloride is converted to phenol. So by hydrolysis of warm water, or dilute acids by treating with warm water. That means hydrolysis of warm water. So this is the from diazonium salt. Okay. So aromatic primary amines. This aromatic primary. This name is aniline. Aniline. This is benzene diazonium chloride salt. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride salt. This is phenol. See, aromatic primary amines react with nitrous acid at 273-278 Kelvin temperature to give benzene diazonium chloride salt. So diazonium chloride salt is converted to phenol by treating with warm water or dilute acids. So aniline treated with sodium nitrate plus HCl at 273-278 Kelvin temperature. Temperature also you can mention 273-278 Kelvin temperature. So benzene diazonium chloride. So benzene diazonium chloride is converted to phenol by hydrolysis of warm water or dilute acids to give phenols. Is it clear? See, next one is from cumene. This is the liberate nitrogen and HCl. Phenol after nitrogen plus HCl also produce. From cumene. So phenols also manufactured from hydrocarbons. From cumene. So phenols also manufactured. Phenols also manufactured or manufactured from hydrocarbons. So phenols also manufactured from hydrocarbons means what? Alkanes, hydrocarbon, aliphatic. So phenol also manufactured from hydrocarbons. So cumene, that is isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene is called cumene. Isopropyl benzene is oxidized in the presence of air. Is oxidized in the presence of air to gives cumene hydrogen peroxide. So this cumene hydrogen peroxide is converted to phenol and acetone. So by treating with acidic medium, acidification. So by treating with, so it is converted to phenol by treating with Acidification, that means dilute acid. Acidification means what? Acids, dilute acid. So in this, during this preparation method, acetone also produced. Large quantity of acetone also produced. So phenol also manufactured from hydrocarbons. So cumene is oxidized in the presence of air to gives cumene hydrogen peroxide. It is converted to phenol by treating with dilute acid. During this process, acetone also produced. So acetone also, large quantity of acetone also produced. Large quantity of acetone produced as a byproduct. See, phenol also manufactured from hydrocarbon cumene. This name is very important. What is the cumene? Cumene means what? Isopropyl benzene. Cumene means what? Isopropyl benzene. It is oxidized in the presence of air to gives cumene hydrogen peroxide. So it is converted to phenol by treating with dilute acids. So in this process, during process, large quantity of acetone also produced as a byproduct. So cumene, I will write structure. Cumene, isopropyl benzene. See, this is the cumene. This is cumene. This is name is isopropyl benzene. This is common name, this is IUPAC name, and another name is 2-phenyl propane. Important this. Cumene is the common name. Isopropyl benzene is IUPAC name. 2-phenyl propane also IUPAC name. See, cumene is oxidized in the presence of air. To convert it to cumene hydrogen peroxide. Cumene hydrogen peroxide. To gives by acidification, acidic medium, phenol and acetone, CH3, CH3. This is called acetone. So cumene hydrogen peroxide, acidic medium, followed by hydrolysis. So cumene is oxidized in the presence of oxidized isopropyl benzene, gives a cumene hydrogen peroxide in the presence of acidic medium, so to produce phenol and acetone. So this large quantity of amount is produced as a byproduct. Acetone also produced. Simply this is loss, CH3 C double bond O, like this. This is will be loss. Simply this will be loss. This bond shifted to here, C double bond O, remain to OH potato here, phenol. CH3 C double bond O, acetone. So phenol also manufactured from hydrocarbons. Cumene, what is the cumene? It is very important. Last year previously in NEET JEE question, simple direct this is given. Cumene undergoes oxidation. What is the produced? Like this. Direct not intermediate. This is intermediate like this. So phenol also known as phenol also manufactured from hydrocarbons. So cumene is oxidized in the presence of air to give cumene hydrogen peroxide. It is converted to phenol by treating with dilute acids followed by hydrolysis. So large quantity of acetone is produced as a byproduct. So this is the reaction. Is it clear? Okay. These 4 methods only is the preparation of phenols, only 4 methods. First one is whatever from chlorobenzene, halogens. Second one from benzene sulfonic acid. Third one is from diazonium salt. Fourth one is this is the fourth one. From cumene. Is it clear? Okay.